Hello everyone, my name is Mariana Cubercureya and I am going to be talking about training initiatives in CNCA-CENAT. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I was the lead researcher in data science in the National Laboratory for Advanced Computing in the National Center for High Technology in Costa Rica. In the laboratory, we have this supercomputer called Cabre, which we want people from all universities and research centers to make use of and help their investigations and the research projects to use this resource that it's very helpful and it's very useful for us. So that's why we have many different initiatives in trainings and teaching different tools in programming, advanced computing, in data analysis, in data science. So one of the key points of CNCA-CENAT is sharing knowledge. That's why there we have three main large teaching or capacitations we are constantly giving. We have two annual schools that are the Big Data School and the Costa Rica HBCU School. And regularly, every 2 months or so, we have different workshops in Python, R, and bioinformatics. I'm going to be talking about those initiatives a little bit. First, I will talk about the Costa Rica Big Data School in 2019. This school had the main goal to instruct students, professors, researchers, as well as people from government, local government, and industry in big data programming tools and the whole concept of big data and how we can apply it to different fields. Um, One of the main points of this school was it was open for different sectors in the region, was more focused in helping the region in big data rather than just academia. We had Latin American speakers. The whole school was in Spanish because we wanted to make it more accessible for everyone in the region. There were three main sessions from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And we take it to two different regional campuses of national public universities, one in San Carlos in the north of the country and one in Pérez Celedón. And the curriculum was mainly based in Python, Hadoop, Spark machine learning, MapReduce, and some practical examples of IBM Watson for sentiment analysis. Then we have the Costa Rica HBCU School, as well as the Costa Rica Big Data School. This is a yearly effort of making it periodically. And this school aims at preparing students and researchers to introduce HPC tools in their workflows. They had a selected team of national and international experts teaching shared lessons in shared memory programming, distributed memory programming, and scientific visualization. And it was open for different sectors as well. It was free. They had invited speakers. This was a 5-day theoretical and practical sessions from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. This was held in the headquarters of CENAT in San Jose. And some of the topics covered in the sessions was shared programming, shared memory programming, distributed memory programming, and scientific visualization. Then we have the programming and academic trainings. This is taking, we give these trainings every 2 months or so normally. Participants of these trainings must be professors, researchers, students, in general, people from public universities that will use and share what they are learning here with colleagues, with research groups, and working actively in research programs. So We have four main trainings, like groups of trainings. First, we have the R programming. There is an introductory course to R. Then we have a statistical analysis with R, visualization with R are the three main courses we are actually currently giving in CENAT. Then we have the Python. We have three main courses. First is the introduction to Python, then is scientific programming with Python, and then machine learning with Python. There is also sometimes they have a seismology course and bioinformatics with Python. This is more applied to how to use the resources available in CABRE for bioinformatics. Then I would like to briefly mention the Data San Jose 19, that was the CoData RDA Research Data Science School held in CENAT for 2 weeks in December 2019. And then the material covered in this school was fundamental to all areas of data science and hence open to researchers and professionals from all disciplines. We had participants coming from many countries, but Marcela is going to talk about this particular school a little bit more specifically, so that would be it for me. Do you have any questions? If you want more information about our virtual trainings or our regular trainings, you can go to our laboratory page, and it's cabre.senat.ac.cr, and we will be pleased to hear from you.